Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to prevent specific users from making peer-to-peer calls to you on Telegram web using the latest update. Whether someone's been calling you too often or you just want more privacy, this quick guide will show you how to control who can start a P2P call with you. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the main menu icon. Click on it to open the side panel. From here, select Settings. This is where you can manage most of your preferences and privacy options. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This section gives you control over who can see your details, contact you, or call you through Telegram. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who Can Call Me. Click on it. You'll see different options for call permissions. Under the peer-to-peer call section, make sure that everybody is selected. This step is important. It ensures that you can later specify exactly who you want to block from making direct P2P calls to you. Now, find the Never Allow option. This is where you can choose specific users that you want to prevent from calling you. Click on Never Allow and Telegram will show your contact list. Simply select the users you don't want receiving peer-to-peer access to you. After choosing them, confirm your selection. Telegram will instantly update your privacy settings, and those users will no longer be able to start P2P calls with you through Telegram web. And that's it. You've successfully prevented certain users from making peer-to-peer calls on Telegram web.